Imagine you mailed your landlord a repair request, and instead of fixing the sink, they reply, "I need proof you live here," but you already sent the lease. That is what a stall letter can feel like. It is not a real answer. It is a dodge that slows everything down while your credit report keeps telling a risky story. A stall letter usually wears one of three costumes. First, they call your dispute frivolous, which means they claim it is not serious enough to investigate. Second, they ask for ID you already sent. Third, they say your dispute came from a credit repair company. The trick is simple. They are not proving the account is right yet. They are slowing the game. Credit is not just a score. Credit is a risk profile. Your report tells a story to lenders, landlords, banks, insurers, and even some phone companies. If a wrong collection or charge-off sits there longer because of delay tactics, your story may look riskier than it should. A stall letter can keep a bad chapter alive if you do not answer fast. Here is the part many people miss. Disputes have timing rules. A credit bureau usually has about 30 days to investigate after it receives your dispute. Sometimes it can be longer if you send extra information. If they stall, do not argue in circles. Respond quickly, resend your ID, restate the exact problem, and document the new delivery date like you are saving a receipt after grocery shopping. Think of it like someone saying they never got your letter just to avoid replying. You resend it with tracking. Same move here. Send a short response. Say the dispute is yours. Say it is specific. Attach your ID again. Attach proof of address again. Include your dispute details again. Ask them to investigate and verify the account. Keep copies of everything. Do not get pulled into a shouting match. Do not send fake documents. Do not pretend you did not use help if you did. Getting help is not the problem. The key is that the dispute must be true, personal, and clear. Like a school report card, you are not saying, "Change my grade because I want it higher." You are saying, "This answer was marked wrong, and here is why." If the stall pushes things past the deadline and the item is not verified, that can be a serious problem for them. If an account cannot be verified within the required time, it should be deleted or corrected. That is when your paper trail matters. Dates, copies, tracking numbers, and letters become your map. If needed, you can escalate to the CFPB, which is a government agency that takes consumer credit complaints. You do not have to figure this out alone. 850 AI helps you read the letter, spot the dodge, organize the dates, and prepare a clear response. It helps you stay calm and action-focused. Credit repair is not magic. It is more like cooking. The right steps, the right order, the right proof, and no missing ingredients.